Ooh, it's a rat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. No, that thing was running at me. Because we're the Ruby. Is sprinklered even a word? Thank you, Chase, for all of the free travel that you have given us. Or given him. It's his Chase card. Radio City Music Hall. Alright, so this building right in front of me is where they're filming Jimmy Kimmel and the Tonight Show. All these black SUVs lined up right here are waiting to take all of the big wigs, I reckon. Rockefeller Center Ice Rink. Coming. Grand Central Terminal. And guess what's right there? Grand Central Apple Store. Look up. New York City rat. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, no. No, that thing was running at me. NYC subway. Hour number 7. We're on the subway. We're headed to the 9/11 Memorial. And I was gonna sit down, but probably not a good idea. Ugh. Hour number 8. We are standing at the site of the World Trade Center, South Tower. It's closed, so we can't get in there. The North Tower is on the other side of this building here. And then there's the new Freedom Tower that goes way up there. What is this? Oh, it's a mall. He's wearing a beekeeper. Oh, he's speeding up. Where's he going? I hope he stays on that side. La Famiglia Pizza. Apparently it's a New York thing. It's really, looks really good. Hour 9. Laying down in the room. It's like 4 degrees outside. We're all gonna have pneumonia. We've had pizza. We've seen a lot of stuff. How far have I walked? 24,188 steps, 9.29 miles, and we climbed 12 flights of stairs. I'm tired. We'll pick up the count in the morning. Hour 17, I just left the downstairs breakfast, and brought Aaron some food.
He spoils me so well.
So we're gonna get ready. Lee and Amber just went down to get some food. We're gonna get ready to go to the airport and fly home. Oh, boo, boo, boo.
Hey, I tried talking him into going to Paris last night, so.
It was only $219. So what's the deal on this hotel? This hotel was actually free. Well, it wasn't free. This hotel was 35,000 Hilton reward points. We had purchased 20,000, but we had gotten an email that said Hilton was running a 100% bonus special. And so we bought 20,000 Hilton points and got 40,000 Hilton points for $200. It was $200. And this room only cost 35,000 Hilton points. But if you paid money for this room was almost $700 for the one night that we were traveling.
Not worth $700.
Hell no, it's not worth $700. But so a $700 a night room we got for essentially $200 by using Hilton points. So we'll leave a link up here to the Hilton Rewards program. We love it. We love the Hilton Reward program. We love the Marriott Reward program. Part of the benefits with the Hilton program, you get all this breakfast included. You get early check-in, late checkout, 80% bonus points, earnings, premium Wi-Fi. I mean, there's so many perks. And this is, again, all part of how we travel for little or no cost. Hour 18, we're leaving the hotel. We're all packed up, ready to go, get on the subway, and go to LaGuardia to fly home. Well, New York, is it dirty? Yes. Shit everywhere, but I couldn't live here. I don't see how people do it. New York, baby! Yeah, that's what we want. Hour 19, exiting the Jamaica, no, where are we? Roosevelt, to go to the bus transfer to get to LaGuardia. Aaron, you good? I assume we're going the right way. Just following the herd of people, looking for the Q70 to LaGuardia. I'm stuck. LaGuardia bus. All right. Well, next stop, LGA. Huh? All right, off the bus, made it to LaGuardia. Now we're going to the gate, check these bags. Lee. And why are we in this line, Lee?
Because where's the Ruby?
Because we have Ruby status. Hour 20, LaGuardia Airport Terminal B. Looking at the water feature. We're gonna head into the Centurion Lounge really quick, and then we'll be getting on the plane. Hey, love that lounge access. About time we get in this one. Where are we at? LaGuardia Centurion Lounge.
finally made it, y'all. After 3 or 4 tries, we have finally made it. Well, that was a successful little quick breakfast. Always good. There's the thing where the planes go, where the walkway goes over the active taxiway.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again. Hold up. I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Back home. I'm ready for a nap. And just like that, we're right back where we started. Got our bags? Time to go.